Okay, hey y'all. So my hair is really dry, and I have not like I haven't did like a I've always been making my deep conditioners for a while, but I wanted to try this let me see if it focuses. This Palmer's Natural Fusion chia seed and argan oil hair mask. I wanted to try it and I wanted to do a review on it. So first I'm gonna start by like, I don't know if you guys can see it. I got some oil in here. This is some coconut oil and olive oil. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put this on my hair, and then I'm going to pre-poo basically with this. Like, I'm gonna detangle with this and water, and then I'm gonna shampoo my hair, and then we gonna see what Natural Fusion's talking about, cause I don't know. Yeah, so it looks good. Like, it smells good. It doesn't have like a bad smell. It's not like my favorite smell, but it smells good. But it says basically deeply repairs and boosts hydration. And it says no sulfates, no parabens, no bata. What? No. I feel like I should know how to say this. Hey, I think it'll work. So you guys can just watch me do my pre-poo. I'm already tired.
Young Tarzan.
Okay, hey y'all. So I just finished washing my hair. Let me show you what shampoos I used. I used the Moroccan Fusion, and this does have sulfates. I'm pretty sure some of y'all are like, whoa, what are you doing? No, I use gel and I use a like heavy product for my wash and goes. So I use this plus a moisturizing shampoo, the Maui shampoo. I like this shampoo too, and I mix these two together, and it works for me. So I don't use this always. I don't even shampoo always, but when I do, and I have a lot of product on, you gotta get it off. Plus, for this review, I want to make sure, you know, the product is off so it can actually penetrate my hair, because I'm gonna sit under the dryer for like 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you guys the results and talk about it. I know this deep conditioner is really gonna help. So I'm gonna section my hair. We're gonna put this on, and let me know if anybody has used this and how did you like it. Like, leave that in the comments. If you watch this video and you've already tried this, let me know how you liked it and how it worked for you. Okay, so y'all know how you can tell if a product's gonna be good for your hair right when you put it on? Like, you really can tell. Like, you can tell how your hair, like, at first it was like, wait, but now it's like, ooh, my hair is kind of liking it. Okay, so I have my hair all twisted up. It actually feels good right now in my hair. Like, like when I was raking my fingers through my hair, like it actually is like moisturizing. I can definitely tell that. But I'm gonna sit in the dryer for maybe 10 to 15 minutes with heat, on high heat. And after that, I'm gonna rinse it out and I'm gonna show you guys, and then I'm gonna talk further in depth, like talk more about the product, because this product, if this product works well with heat on my hair, then I'm pretty sure that all the other products that come along with the other, like with the line, I'm pretty sure they'd be great to use on my hair, because during this time it's so cold outside and my hair gets so dry. Hopefully this is a, you know, a game changer. You know what I'm saying? Like, and this is not sponsored. I legit went to Walmart by myself, and well, not by myself, but I went to Walmart with my own 2 feet. And I bought this with my own money. I mean, if y'all want to sponsor me, just shout out, you know what I'm saying? Once I get those subscribers up, sponsorships are welcomes. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you're welcome to do a sponsorship still, like. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so, I finally washed my hair. I, deep conditioned it. Thank God. And now we're just gonna see the results of this. I think it really worked great. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, hold up. Oh, hold up now. Hold up now. Y'all, I'm being so... Excuse my bang. No, but I'm being so real with y'all. When I say my hair is soft... Wow. Y'all see? It is... It looks great. Like, I'm going to be so real with y'all. Like, it looks great. It feels great. Wow. It looks great. So truthfully, I would recommend it. It was only, I think it was like $7 something at Walmart. It was a good price. Like, it's not too pricey, because I'm gonna be real with you guys. Like, I still got a good amount of product in there. Yeah, like it worked great. Like, I can tell like how that my hair is moisturized or like hydrated. Like, I'm gonna be so real with y'all. I could probably leave my hair, like let it air dry and it still be good, but I'm not gonna do that. But this product worked great. It had a really great smell, very natural smell, nothing too chemically, you know what I mean? I really liked how it like actually penetrated my hair. I would say use this with heat. It actually will help so much. Like, I know I'm looking at my phone, should be looking at the camera. My hair, I can tell like it loves deep penetrating things because of the color that's already in it. So I truly recommend it. Now I think I probably will try the leave-in and the shampoo and all those things now, because this worked well. And truthfully, I think if your hair is colored or is very dry, I would use this. Now, if your hair is like thin, I might not use this. It's very thick. It'll hydrate your hair, but it's very thick. So it might be more for dense hair, very full hair. It will really help a lot of people, because during the months, like, a lot of people don't deep condition. So if you start to deep condition, I would try this first. So if you're just even going natural, I would say use this deep conditioner. Tell me how you like it. Hopefully y'all can see that. Tell me how you like it. Leave a comment down below. And if you really like this video, go watch my other videos. I'm really just kind of starting up YouTube again, but go watch my other YouTube videos. I think you guys will enjoy them. And if anybody who watches this, tell me what you want to see next. And I will definitely, see if that's in my in my availability in life. Let me stop. Whatever. Don't worry about me. But this is a great hair mask. I recommend it. Palmer's, you did that. You did that, Palmer's. Yeah, go Palmer's. Thank you guys for watching. I ask that you subscribe if you like my channel. I can't wait to post more. I want to do a little different. I want to switch up my channel, just do a life, everything. Like I want to do hair, vlogs, whatever. So thank you for going to the end. If you came to the end of this video, I want you to comment, I like cheese in my grits. I don't know if somebody watched the end of this video, unless you skipped to the end and then you were like, oh, I'm glad I saw that. Put, I like cheese in my grits. And if you don't like cheese in your grits, still put it, because you should. You should. But thank you for watching. Go subscribe and bye.